In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an availability schedule in Calendly. We'll walk through the full process of setting up a schedule, connecting it to one of your event types, and then checking that everything looks correct on the booking page. This is a useful step if you want people to book time with you only during specific hours, or if your availability changes depending on the type of meeting you offer. To get started, log into your Calendly account. Once you're signed in, look to the left-hand menu and click Availability. This is where Calendly lets you manage the time windows when you can accept bookings. From here, you can either choose an existing schedule if you want to update one you already have, or click New Schedule to create a fresh one. If you're making a new schedule, enter a name that helps you identify it easily later. It's a good idea to use something clear and practical, especially if you plan to create different schedules for different purposes. Next, choose the days of the week when you want to be available. After selecting your days, set your available start and end times for each one. Be careful here, since these time ranges control when people can actually book with you. If your hours are different on certain days, make sure each day reflects the correct time. If you have more than one availability period in a single day, you can add additional time blocks. This is helpful if, for example, you're available in the morning, unavailable during midday, and then available again later. On the other hand, if there are days when you do not want to accept any bookings at all, simply remove those days from the schedule. Once everything is entered, take a moment to review the schedule settings carefully. This quick review can help you catch mistakes before the schedule goes live. When everything looks right, click Save to create the availability schedule. Now that the schedule is created, go to Scheduling and open the event type you want to use with this availability. In the event settings, locate the availability options. This is where you tell Calendly which schedule should apply to that event. Select the availability schedule you just created, then save the event settings. Finally, preview the booking page to verify that your availability is displayed correctly. This is an important final check, because it lets you see the booking experience from the invitee's perspective and confirm that the right days and times appear. Thanks for watching.